At 3:45 p.m., a routine flight suddenly turned into chaos when a passenger refused to leave her seat. What started as a simple seat mix-up quickly escalated, and within minutes, the entire plane was forced to deboard.
Okay, and you don't want her flying at all, not even if she moves her seat? Okay. All right, I'm gonna have to have her come up here.
She's in 13E. She's supposed to sit in this seat. She don't want to go.
Well, now the captain says no, it doesn't matter.
She get out.
So can you ask her to come up here, please?
She's not gonna come.
Not gonna come.
She said you have to drag her because she's not going nowhere. That's what she said.
Unless you leave that reference here.
3 kilowatt. Give me a 49 commercial fire for Terminal 1. I'll use my fire.
How are you? Deputy Soto.
I'm grieving is actually how I'm doing. I'm trying to get to a funeral.
I'm sorry.
Today.
Okay, ma'am, I'm sorry about
Today.
that. But now...
I'm sitting in my assigned seat.
No, you're supposed to be at 37E.
No.
Ma'am.
Do you think I would make this up? You think I would hold everybody
It's right
up?
here.
It's also right here.
That's a screenshot, ma'am.
It's the app, view my boarding pass. Why would I make that up? Why would I make that up? It's unspirited spirit. You think I'm going to waste my time?
Ma'am. It says 13E.
That's where I am.
Okay, give me a minute. Let me see your phone. Listen,
No,
I'm trying to help you.
Are you?
Yes,
because
ma'am.
isn't everyone else seen it?
I came here respectfully.
I understand that, but I've been so
I'm trying to help you.
disrespected.
Let
Do
me
you
show it to
understand?
the
I'm just
captain.
trying to get
I understand.
to Chicago.
But right
I have
now,
a funeral
this is the thing.
tonight.
But this is the
I've been
thing.
working all
Okay,
day.
I understand.
I don't work
You're
the
not-
spirit.
I know that.
I'm
But you're
tired.
okay.
I'm trying to be
I'm
patient.
trying-
I've lost my zen.
Okay, relax. Relax. Just take it down just a little. I'm trying to help you.
Then talk to
Okay,
them.
let me go talk to them, but I need to see the phone. I'm going to give it right back. I'm on body camera. I'm not going to take your phone.
I don't think that you're going to take my phone. I would just like to have my body camera.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Okay. Let me see what
I'm
I can
not
do.
from Florida.
Let me see what I can do. Okay? If you're correct, then everything should
Why
be
would
fine.
I make this
Well,
up?
because everything is here saying that you're on 30. You're supposed to be 37E. So I don't know what the mix-up is.
They mixed it up, which
Give me
they
1
need
minute.
to fix.
Let me see.
That's not
That's
my
the app, right?
Yes,
It's the
it
app.
is.
Okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Let me talk to the captain.
That's not correct.
Hey, sir. I know it's on her app, though.
Yeah, but if she refreshed, she would have seen her seat.
A screenshot. Okay.
That's a screenshot.
Okay. That's a screenshot. She opened it up for me, so show me how.
Yeah, let him show you this.
Let me see.
And then now what you told me. Yeah.
This is on her wallet.
Yeah, but tell her to refresh.
Yeah.
Officers were called after a woman insisted she was sitting in her assigned seat, showing her boarding pass as proof. She claimed she was just trying to attend a funeral and had done nothing wrong. But airline staff told a different story. Her seat had been changed, and she needed to move. Confused and frustrated, she refused to cooperate, believing the mistake wasn't hers to fix.
No, it's fine. Okay. Open up the app. This is your Apple. This is on your Apple Wallet. If you open up your app, it's going to show you 37E.
Because they changed it.
Okay, if they change it, that's not our issue.
This is the app.
Okay, and what's the app say?
View my boarding pass.
Yes. What's it say?
13E. Do you think I would really be like
All
making
right.
a deal about this?
Okay, I had to refresh. It's still saying 13E. Okay. She refreshed it. It's saying 13E.
Yeah, but what happened?
I understand, but if she's refreshing it, 13E. It's not a screenshot. So I'm not telling you how to do your job, but if this is a mix-up, then somebody's got to accommodate her for some reason. Let me talk to the captain.
So what they're saying is that she didn't get for the
I understand she didn't. Hey, sir, there's an issue with her. On her app, it's saying 13E. So the thing is, with the ticket, her in spirit, something happened. But she's supposed to be, as from when she originally purchased the ticket, it said 13E. But now she's being told she got to go. So I understand her not wanting to leave, but something's got to give with her in spirit. Then it's not. You see what I'm saying? I don't want to kick somebody off who doesn't deserve to be kicked off because of an error. That's my concern.
Here's my concern. If she's not complying with the flight instructions, that's a no-bueno.
No, I understand that.
Flight instructions on the airplane, she's not complying with the air, and I don't want her on the airplane.
No, I understand that. But my thing is, if this all started because of an error, you see what I'm saying?
Let's hold on. Let's have a conversation like two human beings. All right, so I'm gonna take. Listen, that's fine. You don't want to have a conversation? That's fine. Let me tell you what's gonna happen.
What is there a conversation?
You're gonna come off the plane. If you refuse to come off the plane, I'm gonna take this. I'm giving you your last warning. You refuse to come off the plane, you're gonna go to jail today. I'm gonna deplane everyone off the plane. I'm gonna drag you off the plane. That's fine. I'll give you my last warning. All right. She said she's not coming off.
No. He said if I could get her to move her seat, she could fly.
All right. Let me see.
How many souls are on
I'm trying
this
to
plane?
tell you.
How many seats are on
Deplane
this
the plane.
plane? Everyone is sitting down.
Papa,
We're gonna
deplane the
deplane
plane.
the
Everyone is
Come on.
sitting down. Just
Okay.
deplane.
That's fine. No point in arguing with her. All right, start your deboarding. We're going to take her into custody. Deplane the plane.
Let me go to my area. Thank you.
I tried. Thank you.
That's it. Now she's definitely going to jail.
As tensions rose, officers tried to calmly resolve the situation, even verifying her ticket themselves. Despite their efforts, the woman refused to leave her seat. The captain made the final call. She had to get off the plane. When she still refused, officers issued a clear warning: comply or face arrest. But instead of walking off, she doubled down, forcing the situation to escalate further.
Hey, Cap, you go ahead and deboard the plane. She's going to jail. She don't want to come off.
Sir, I'm sitting right in the aisle right across. If I give up my seat and then
This is already out of.
it's already
done.
Folks from the flight deck, not the best news for you, but we have a passenger who refused to get off the aircraft. Whenever that happens, we have to remove everyone from the aircraft. So everybody is going to be deboarding. Take your stuff with you. When we get a chance to board
You go ahead and
but for now, everybody.
You just said take it off.
They have to take
You
it.
just said take it off. That's one. Yeah, I got it.
All right, unfortunately, you have to take your belongings with you. Everything has to come off this aircraft at this point. We do sincerely apologize.
I just talked to the chief pilot. Third time it's happened today. Just to let you know. Twice in Atlanta. This is the third
Oh,
time.
really? One of those
But
days.
here's the other thing. She's in a fucking accident. You got somebody emotionally disturbed and upset, and now they're in an accident.
Yeah.
I mean, they can't.
Who knows if she's even telling us? Yeah.
Now, usually when I tell everybody that I'm going to take everybody off, they turn against the person that gets them off.
No, there was some. To be honest with you, there were some people willing to give up their seats for her.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It was too late. I thought they were exiting out. Hey, I'll give up my seat for her. I'm like, too late. You know, I don't even think that would have helped. You know?
No, she's not moving out. She's just.
She's adamant because of the fact it says, and I told her, I said, this happened to me before. I showed up for my flight, my seat was changed. And it says right there, it says, you know, subject to change. It happens, you know?
They gave her the correct boarding pass.
Yeah, the boarding pass, yeah. It happened to me. My app says, see, I get to the airport, no, here's your boarding pass, it's been changed. Oh, okay. I was never
Actually,
notified.
sometimes they change equipment, so that can change
Yeah.
the seats too.
You really want to go to jail? You really want to go to jail?
Not be the first time it's happened before.
Hey, let's not make it a second time or a third time. Let's just get off the plane. This is the final chance. Because once the handcuffs go on,
I'm not
there's
doing
there's no negotiating.
That's it.
Either get off the plane or go to jail.
I'm not doing anything.
One last chance. Off the plane or off the plane and go to jail.
What am I doing?
I'm not going to tell you. Off the plane or off the plane or jail. You choose right now. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Off the plane?
Hold on, Q. Wait,
or off
give
the
us some
plane and
time.
go to jail. Pick one.
He's asking you, please stand up and walk off.
Five.
If you stand up and walk off, you can rebook.
3, 2,
If not, you're going to jail.
1. All right. Let's go. Come on. Stand up.
10-4. It's going with your stuff.
In the bag.
Put it in. That's your only bag, man? Anything else? Your blanket? Your pillow? My car's upstairs. Let me just up by 325. You got it or something?
Yeah.
We're gonna drive around, put her.
With no other option left, the entire plane was deboarded and she was taken into custody. What started as a simple seat issue ended in arrest, criminal charges, and a 5-year airline ban. One decision and everything changed.